Cavenco started its business line manufacturing conditioning equipments and electronic equipments in 1982. During this background of knowledge and specialization in an adequate atmosphere for the poultry growing, Cavenco has made its products appreciated in all the countries of the world, and its technical solution worked in extremely temperatures, even cold, around minus 40 Celsius degrees or hot over 50 Celsius degrees. In a second stage, Cavenco developed a complete range of products necessary for the poultry fattening and started building and commercializing turkey farms, looking for the best quality and experience in climate equipment with high technology designs in drinking, feeding, engineering, and mantle complete farms. The result is a product perfectly studied to get the best results on the production of poultry meat, always with very well isolated buildings and adapted to the climate situation in each country. Inside, buildings are completely flat for a perfect cleaning and disinfection. Depending on the building system, more or less open, we build the adequate eaves to avoid the raining water and sun rays get inside of it. All closings, lateral and roof ones, are made with high-density polyurethane sandwich to isolate the inside of the building from the climate situations. Outside, metallic forks allow us a complete flat interior. All windows and halls are protected with bird fence and in equatorial zones with insect nets. Movements of opening and closing in windows and air inlets are made due to automatic motors and central computers. The doors in each front of the farm allow the clean trucks and machinery get inside easily. To load and unload chickens, the doors to use are the lateral ones. The computer is installed in a warehouse next to the farm and is the motor of all mechanisms for a perfect operation. The food is stored in silos from where it's distributed due to the feeding line. Cavenco has designed a big diameter pan with low feed capacity and low height, to allow the chicks eat from the first day easily and avoiding through the food on the floor. The adequate use of the food is the basis to have the best production results. The automatic filling is made by sensors which action the motors and feed the lines from the silo. Special importance and quality is the nipple drinker. With high sensibility, let the chicken drink from the first day. A regulation offers more or less flow and capacity, reaching a flow of 11 liters per hour for the heating moments on when the chicken has a high weight. In this case, One recovery is installed to avoid the remaining drops fell down the floor and always have a dry and clean bed. In our house, always is installed a medicine dosers to medicate water in a measured way. Let's go with the computer again, like the principal axis of the production. It controls the heating, ventilation, air inlets, refrigeration, illumination, and can choose between natural, transversal, forced, or tunnel ventilation, depending on the building design. Besides use the farm in all its climate components, the computer offers all the information and statistic days, like a weight of the chicks, maximum and minimum temperatures, diary growing, water consumption, humidity, and emergency situations. Once the farm has the highest technology, Cavenco is developing with San Jorge University in Zaragoza one system of communication through internet that informs the central office of the producer all kinds of statistic dates of the farm. And at the same time, from Cavenco, we can verify how any farm works in all parts of the world, giving suggestions to the farmer about a perfect use. When something is wrong, a GSM or sound alarm is installed next to the farmer house, always with an emergency generator. The same technology for the chicken farms is developed for layer farms, controlling all varieties for the mothers of the future chicks, and being in the best conditions of production. Thanks to all the people that through the years has trust in Cavenco and who the technology of this company has been an increase of a well-being in their families and companies. Thanks to all of them, we have a diary incentive to improve our I+D department and keep our aim alive. Our first aim, the quality, our customers deserve the best.